Welcome to New Auto Radar, your ultimate destination for exploring the finest vehicles on the planet, from luxury cars to cutting-edge motorhomes. Here we bring you in-depth reviews, exclusive details, and honest insights into the world's most prestigious and innovative automotive creations. Today we take you inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a vehicle that redefines luxury travel and sets an entirely new benchmark for comfort, technology, and elegance on the open road. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a masterpiece of design, blending the timeless elegance of the Rolls-Royce brand with the versatility and practicality of a motorhome. Its exterior showcases the brand's signature styling elements, including the iconic Pantheon grille, the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, and a sleek, commanding silhouette. The body is crafted using advanced lightweight materials that improve efficiency while maintaining the robust strength required for long journeys. Soft, flowing lines, chrome accents, and a two-tone paint finish make it stand out as a statement of prestige wherever it travels. Powering this extraordinary motorhome is a refined twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering exceptional power and smoothness. Combined with an advanced hybrid system, it offers both high performance and remarkable efficiency for a vehicle of its size. The transmission is seamless, providing effortless acceleration, while the adaptive suspension ensures a serene ride regardless of the road conditions. The intelligent all-wheel drive system enhances stability and control, making long-distance travel both safe and comfortable. Inside, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is nothing short of a private luxury suite on wheels. Every detail has been crafted with the utmost precision, using only the finest materials such as hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, and bespoke metal finishes. The living area is spacious and meticulously designed, offering plush seating, a full entertainment system, and expansive windows that flood the space with natural light. The kitchen is equipped with top-tier appliances, including an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and custom cabinetry, making it perfect for gourmet meals on the go. The sleeping quarters are designed for ultimate comfort, featuring a king-size bed with premium bedding and a climate-controlled environment. The bathroom offers a spa-like experience, with a rainfall shower, luxury fixtures, and heated flooring. Advanced soundproofing ensures complete privacy and tranquility inside, no matter where you are parked. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the motorhome, with a central control system accessible via touchscreen or voice commands. From adjusting lighting and climate to managing entertainment and security, everything is at your fingertips. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking assistance, providing peace of mind during every journey. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It is a statement of unmatched luxury and sophistication for those who wish to travel without compromise. Whether crossing continents or exploring hidden destinations, it delivers the ultimate blend of elegance and convenience. For more reviews of world-class vehicles like this, make sure to subscribe to New Auto Radar and join us as we bring you closer to the most extraordinary machines ever built.